Hello, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to wear the 5-way halter top. The first way, as you can see that she's wearing, is this way. You can wear it to the nightclub, or you can wear it on a girl's night out, or a bachelorette party, or something like that. The second way, this is the second way to wear it. This way you can wear it if you don't want to get a tan line during the day, if you're out on a beach party or something, you can wear it this way. Now, a third way you can wear it, cross in the front and tie it in the back. Get on. That's the third way.
I got it.
This is the fourth way you can wear it. You can wear it like, you can wear it just like that. Why are the same part? In the slot. And it's the one shoulder way you can wear it.
And this is the 5-way top. Enjoy.